ice cream with only few ingredients. Then here we have our bowl. Then we also have a spoon. We have sugar. We have like the chocolate powder, and we have milk. Then right now, the first step is that you need to put some sugar in the bowl. You have to put like one spoon in the bowl. The next step is we have to put the powder chocolate cake. One spoon. Then now the third step is that we have to put milk here. Like, I'll show you how much.
Yes, और डाल दो पूरा.
At least like or to here. Like here. And then the fourth step is we have to mix it. Then right now I just got a mixer, and now I'm gonna mix this properly because this is so slow just mixing it with a spoon. That was a mistake.
आपसे नहीं होगा, मत करो.
Then according to your choice, you can put like little chocolate, you can put nuts, and you can put stuff like that. And now I actually mixed it up. You didn't see it because I cut the part out. And now you have to mix it more. And now the fourth step is the most important step, that we have to put this thing in the freezer. Then now we have to put the cold ice cream in here about like 3, 4, 5 hours. Then I hope that you like the